Hi, I'm Jo. I'm a blogger and occasional video maker from New Zealand. Today I'm going to show you how to fake bangs if you have long hair. This can be a really good alternative hairstyle if you're sick of your usual do, and it's also a good way of testing the waters to see if you're ready to commit and make the chop.
You'll need a hairbrush, a comb, a big hair tie, a small hair tie, bobby pins, and a headband. Start by brushing your hair out till it's nice and smooth. Scoop your hair into a high ponytail, brushing out any messy bits, trying to keep it as smooth as possible. Then tie it up into a big messy bun. Use your small hair tie to separate the section of hair you'll turn into your bangs. Use your bobby pins to tuck all of the loose ends into place. The aim is to tidy your hair up a little bit while still keeping that messy kind of look. Release your bangs and comb them out before adjusting them into the right position. Bobby pin any bits that aren't working for you. Finish the look off with your favourite headband.
Please remember, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.